We are about to finish one unit, which was to learn how to decorate bottles. But we just don't learn how to decorate bottles. We also tell the story behind it, because art is therapeutic, art is expressive. So I am with my friend.
Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. Now, some years back in my life, I found myself without a job, and the only job I could do was crafting. So I started this project and I have been training people. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, turn on the notification button so that you get to know when I put up new videos every week. Now, it's your girl Jiri Kabiru, for those who do not know me. Yes, Jiriwa Kafiro. Now, as I was telling the story, some years back I found myself without a job, and the only job that I could do and enjoy was crafting and recycling. So for some years I did it on my own or by myself, and then an opportunity presented itself during this COVID season, an opportunity that I love. Now, what I'm showing you is pictures of my work. I deal with tires, recycling bottles, making different pieces. And this is my class. Yes, I've been transferring the skills that I have to other people and to empower other people. And I want to take you through the depth of it. It's not just transferring the skills. For me, myself, I found myself in a place where I needed to understand who I am and what am I doing on this earth, and to have a hope for every day. I wanted to be in that position, and art or crafting or DIY, whatever you call it, has been my source of strength. So with that, I learned so many other people could do this. Now, this place that I go to train, it's called Teens Challenge Men's Center, Kiambu Road. This is a place where they take in people who have a life-controlling issue or drug addiction, and they go through the program. And I'm telling you, once they're done with the program, their lives are never the same. I am assuring you, their lives are never the same. It's a Christian-based organization. Yes, they go through the values of Christianity. Not only that, they are taught so many different things, and that's what I want to take you through.
Today we had a class. Guys, how was the class?
It was epic.
I spent my time with these awesome guys. They are very awesome.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, they add my ears. I laugh until karibu nipasuke mbavu. Nikuvunjika kama nikupasuka.
Yeah, that's why she can listen.
Yes.
She hears.
Exactly, I add my ears. So today we had some second class?
Yeah,
Second class.
Yeah.
And I want to show you what they've done. I'm so proud. You know, look at that. Who has 1,000 bob? 1,000 bob for the first time. 1,000 bob for the second time. So here's the flag of Kenya. It's not the flag of Kenya, it's flag of Kenya. This is the flag of Kenya. Flag of Kenya.
Flag of Kenya.
So, just to give you a close shot. So here are the bottles, as you can see them. Of Kenya, that guy is from Mombasa, so he decided to put some fish on there, signifying Mombasa.
Yes.
So for me, when it comes to the bottle project, I call it the introduction to art, because you know, if you haven't been crafting or doing art for so long, that part of your brain kind of sleeps or it's not active. So with introduction to this bottle decoration, it's not like a big thing, it's just to awaken that part in your brain, because you know, when you concentrate with something, it grows. So my first unit in my project, that's what I do. I do bottle decoration just to awaken the art and to bring it back to the idea and the imagination and the craziness. So this was my project number 1. Then I'll take you to other projects. It's been 4 months.
So guys, that's how my class goes. It's awesome. I'm looking forward to the next project and the next. And from me and my students, we are going to say,
She's the best. She's the bomb.
bye.
Bye-bye. She's the best.
We are about to finish one unit, which was to learn how to decorate bottles. But we just don't learn how to decorate bottles. We also tell the story behind it, because art is therapeutic, art is expressive. So I am with my friend here. He's a chef. Introduce yourself.
My name is Dennis, and Christ is Lord. On my 11th month here at In Challenge, and Christ is Lord. And I'm so glad to be here. Yeah. So
Yes. So he made these pieces. Wait a minute. I have to look for a place to place them. Give me a minute.
as you can see down here, we have four beautifully crafted bottles, and here's the story behind this. And as we see here, this bottle represents all the chaos, all the conflict, all the disease, poverty in the world, the confusion that is with us right now, and it's all mixed up, as you can see. And this bottle here is when now we realize that there's need to be an organized kind of life to be lived. We try to organize our lives, but we find it very difficult, with our self-help, self-reliance. Yes, it seems organized, but it's not.
Organized.
But by the way, I'm speaking from a Christian perspective,
Yes.
So this bottle now it represents the sweetness of life and the sourness of life. Green here, it represents it's a symbol of hope and regeneration. The hope that salvation brings into our lives. So amidst all the chaos and confusion, there's still some growth. As you can see, green symbolizes growth, as in nature, and there's still some hope. After all.
And this bottle we call this sweet and sour, redemption of Jesus Christ.
Amen. And finally, now we come to our last bottle. The story now is about to end. From here, as you can see, it's like nature at its best. So there's still some maybe chaos, confusion, all in that. But as you can see closely, there's still a paradise amongst all that. That is the hope that we have. And we still have to profess that hope that we believe so strongly. And that's the story behind these bottles.
Are you telling your own story? Just to let people know, are you telling your own story?
Yeah, that's my own story.
You see how art can be expressive. Things that we didn't know we have, then we find out we have. So I'm just going to ask my guest, did you know about the chaos and all this, or did you just do art and then discovered it? How did you discover the story?
Okay, they say that art is an expression. What you feel inside is what you will express outside. So I did them all at once, and then I noticed something. They all intertwine, they're all connected, and I realized that that's the story just came up. So,
the understanding and the revelation.
Yes, the revelation and all that.
See, I do not tell you things that I do not know. You got to try art. You got to try and find something in you. Even if you feel like you know who you are, you know your journey, there's yet more for you to discover who you are. You should try out art. So today I'm at Teens Challenge, and today we are creating a story with what we have done, and I want to take you through the whole process. We have not drilled it yet, but there it is.
So this board has a story. The bottles, they're arranging, the color, high, low, there's a story behind it, and it's just a story of birth and the chaos of this earth and where there is hope at the end of it. That's why it has gold at the end. So that's the hanging project.
We are done with the story. Check out that bottle. Check out the art on it. So it is the second month of this project, and guess what? We have done tire tables. Guys, what do you think? Look at this. It is not my work, it's my students' work. So we have really enjoyed it, isn't it, guys?
Yes.
Yes, it has been an amazing class, and I think you're going to see much more coming your way.
Then the third project was to make flower pots using fabric, old fabrics, and concrete. And this project is just amazing. You know, every project I try to bring life into it, like the practicality of life. And this project we were learning like how you can take yourself and put concrete. I mean, like you need to just self-develop yourself, focus on who you are, study yourself, and get yourself to this beautiful concrete place that you can just be a flower. You know, a flower pot attracts people from far. A flower pot tells the story, understanding where you are in life. This was the message behind this project. So for me, as much as I have art classes, there's a message behind it. Sometimes it's communicated, sometimes it's non-verbal, because I know still the brain will understand what the heart is trying to express. So this was an amazing project. We did a few flower pots here and there. We tried different fabric, and as much as I teach them, even for me it has been a learning lesson. After that, the next project, as I was explaining to them here, was to make a sitting area where when their family visit or when we are doing art, we have an artistic, inspiring place. So first we took the tires, cleaned them, painted them, and then after that we came up with the design. How do we want the tables to look like? How do we want the seats to look like? And this project took a couple of weeks, because you have to wait for the tires to dry, and after drying we had to go through bit by bit making the tops and the bottom. But I think at the end of it we created something that is noble and something that is amazing. So this is a sitting area where if you go to Teens Challenge you can sit. If you want to visit that place, let me know. Or if you have someone going through a life controlling issue like drug and addiction, let me know. I'll just give you the contact to the place. You can reach out. Or if you want to just visit and have a view of what is going on there, I think it's a nice, amazing place. So we took 2 tires, joined them together, then we made the top. And this top of this tire, it's a place that you can sit on, and whenever it's all season, if it's rained on, it's okay. If it's sunny, it's okay. You see that clear paper on top? It's a heavy duty paper. So it protects the sitting place. So all season, those tires will be out there to sit on.
You can hear people in the background. They are making me nervous. Anyway, I started a project in Teens Challenge. If you haven't seen a video with my sister that I showed you about this place when it was bare, like without so much, and I told you what I will do. I gave you a vision. So there's those are the guys right there. Yeah, making my life crazy for now.
Oh, girl! You can do it!
So I want to show you the end product of this place. like what we have been doing. I know it looks like a tiny small stuff, but it's a lot of work. So let me take you through that video. So this is supposed to be a wall hanging. You see, these bottles were decorated. We didn't finish that project because my students decided they will do something they haven't done. So hopefully new year we will do that. So we had so many tires, you see, undone tires, and we have turned them into this. You see where these guys are sitting.
So the next project was to teach my class how to make Ottoman stool with a storage. This is one of my favorite projects that I've done. If you haven't seen those videos, please go and watch. Don't forget to leave a comment, give it a thumbs up, and let me know what you think about this project so far. Is it empowering? Is it amazing? Please leave a comment down on the comment section on my channel. And thank you for being here until now. Let's go to the end of this video. Yeah, so I showed my student how to make Ottoman. This Ottoman, you can store your stuff in there, warm blanket, shoes, you know, you can do so many things with that inside storage. And then on top of it you can sit. It's actually really comfortable. So I really enjoyed this project. For me, it has not, I don't look at it like I have been empowering people. I'm looking at it like life has given me a chance to empower myself, to discover who I am and enjoy it. So I think it's been fun. I hope you've really enjoyed this video. I have given you such much information. If you have any project that you'd like me to be part of it, reach out to me. On my description box there is an email address. You can reach out to me. And thank you so much for watching this video from beginning to the end. It's such awesome. Don't forget to leave a comment, give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And until the next video, I'm gonna tell you bye. Enjoy your day.